Jai Gurudev. So on the auspicious day of Guru Purnima 2026, this year we are doing three important campaigns on the behalf of VedicGrace Institute of Astrology. So our first campaign is tree plantation. So every year we do different tree plantation campaigns, and this year we are doing Jamun Tree Plantation. Okay, and as we all are astrology students, so we know that Jamun Tree is specifically important plant for Saturn, and also is important for different nakshatras and planets and all. So we are posting all necessary information, the importance of this tree regarding Jyotish and everything in our Facebook and other social media accounts, so you all can check it. And whether your Saturn is good or not good, or some other issues you have in your horoscope, you can still plant this tree. Okay, you can plant on your place, or else you can participate in our campaign. You can donate one number of tree, or 10, 20, 50, 100, depending on your capacity. And the whole idea is when you plant tree, or when we plant tree on your behalf, and we take care of that plant for next 5 years. Okay, and as this plant grows, okay, so you will see your planetary affliction will also reduce. Okay, so this is the main idea. So we are aiming to plant around 1,000 trees, so 1,000 plants of jamun. And as we know, this is a fruit giving plant. Okay, so after 5 years, after 3 years, 4 years, now we start receiving the fruits of this tree, jamun fruit. So we give those fruits to Ram Mandir. Okay, and this year we are planning this tree plantation campaign in Pushkar, okay, Rajasthan. There we have a Ram temple. So we donate whatever we receive, any profits or anything from this whole tree campaign. After 5 years, we receive fruits and all. So we donate all those things to Ram Mandir, so that they can utilize this money for maintenance and everything. So this is a good and novel cause. You all should participate here. Okay, and for more information, you can check our website VedicGrace.com, or you can also coordinate with our office. They will guide you. And other than this, we have two more campaigns. One is very important one, Annadan campaign. Annadan means it's a food donation, and this food donation is specifically for Sadhus Sanyasis. Okay, so every year we do this in Rishikesh. In Rishikesh we have ashram, so the ashram details and everything you can see on our website. You can come there also if you want, and you can serve food by your own hands to sadhu and sannyasi, or else we can also do that on your behalf. Okay, so you can donate food to sadhu sannyasi, and this is very noble and very important remedial part, especially for the Guru Purnima. Okay, so the information regarding this campaign also you will find in our website. Also below the video you will see all these details are given already. And our third campaign is Gau Seva. So in Gau Seva you can donate cow. Okay, also you can donate if not cow, then you can also donate the food for the cow. Okay, so go grass we call it. So this is also a noble cause, and this Gau Seva campaign we will keep continue for next 6 months from now. So you can also participate there. And in terms of astrology, you know, if you donate food to someone, you are actually doing remedy for moon, and moon is very important planet in our Jyotish. Moon, Venus, okay, and you are doing it for sadhu sannyasis. So obviously you are improving your Jupiter. Okay, so like this, you'll see many planetary afflictions you can reduce by doing this Annadan campaign. And obviously, when we talk about this cow donation, Godan or Go Seva,